Dear students, a very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about case study. The project is Smart Home Automation using IOT. So we are going to explain this project based on design thinking concept. So now the Gokul will explain the concept of design thinking and also the project. Gokul, can you proceed?
Okay. So introduction to smart home automation with IoT using Node MCU. So in this technological era, smart home automation is one of the biggest achievement. So the Internet of Things plays an important role in it. So it helps to control all the components via remote, and then it helps the component to communicate with each other. So in this project, we are using ESP8266 Node MCU, and then 5-volt 4-channel relay, and then manual switches with modern IoT compatibilities. After that, Darshan will tell of the required components.
So there are main 4 required components: 4-channel relay, Node MCU, manual switches, and jumper wires. So I am going to say about the Node MCU and about the manual switches. So as for Node MCU, the configurations is like we are going to use Node MCU 8266 ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and it is programmable with Arduino IDE, and its use is to connect the internet with other applications. And as for manual switches, it is used to connect the home applications automatically while pressing the switches, and its use is to connect every home appliances and over to Harish.
I'm going to explain the relay module. Relay module basically used to.
Where is the relay module here? This one is the relay module.
Relay module.
What is the job of this relay module?
Here we have used 4 channels, so we can control the 4 devices at the same time. And the jumper wires are used to connect the electronic components without the soldering. That's all.
Now go into the design thinking session. So at first, what is design thinking? So design thinking is a human-centric approach to get the innovative solutions. So in the design thinking, at first we must be analyze the user needs. With this, we create an innovative solution. After that, with the innovation solution, we create a project, and then we implemented the prototype in a small group of people, and we analyze the results of that project. With the result, we create a huge project furthermore. So
first, we have to understand the user pain points. That is the empathy part.
Yes.
We have to analyze the pain points of the customers. That is the user, end user of the project. Okay. So based on that, we have to develop the solutions.
So Elavarsan will tell about the empathy and the design part.
Next, I am going to share about empathy. Understand the needs and desires and pain points of potential users. First one, observations and user interviews. And next, define personas. Next, clearly define the problem statements and the project scope during the insights gathered based on empathy base. First one, energy efficiency. Next, remote accessibility. And next, cost effectiveness and safe and securities. And next, environmental impact. In this project, we define remote accessibility and cost effectiveness. Next, ideate.
Good.
And as for ideate, to develop idea for the defining prototype, and it's based on like brainstorming sessions, control sessions, and prototyping.
I'm going to tell about the prototype of this project. So prototype is nothing but create a fragile version of our idea. So in this project, as Darshan said, we are using Node MCU and 5-channel 5-volt 4-channel relay, and some jumper wires and manual switches, and these are all bulb holders. For example, we are all using this for example. So at first we are connecting the neutral of the components to common and connecting it to the plug point, and then we connect the phase of the common to the node relay channel, After that, we connect the relay channel to the node MCU to control the relay channel to control the components. So in this project, we control the components through manual switches as well as the home automation apps like Amazon's Alexa or Google's Smart Home, like that. So after that, testing will be shared by the Harish.
Testing is nothing but in evaluating our prototype, whether it meets our user needs and it accepts the real world scenario. Here we have tested functionality test and user acceptance tests for our
So
project.
let's conclude the session. So these are all about our project Smart Home Automation with IoT. So we hope our project will help the customer efficiently. So thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you all.
So now I have a question in that. What is the difference between other home automation and your home automation? You
Ma'am.
developed this project. Okay. What is the main difference?
And we developed this project with the problem statement of cost efficient and
Okay.
environmental and remote accessibility, ma'am.
Okay.
So for this, we are using NodeMCU ESP8266 because in the NodeMCU family, ESP8266 is a cost efficient one, ma'am.
Okay.
After that, we are using 5-volt 4-channel relay because it is a compactable one and we can connect 4 components in this, ma'am. So only we are using this, and with the help of NodeMCU, we can connect we can control these components remotely in any area, ma'am.
Great. Good idea. We have to develop next after this prototype. We have to develop a product. Okay. That will be useful. Thank you all. Have a great day.